The path of the tornado went through the Hernandez home. Now, on this side of his house, 5 people were killed. The tornado went through this way, over their shelter, and across the street, killing 3 people in that home as well.
27 people died in Gerald that day. Whole families perished together. The following day, the survivors of Gerald struggled to come to terms with the extent of the tragedy. As the search went on for the bodies of the missing, scientists arrived to study the scenes of devastation and assess the damage.